At a press conference held on the 27th of June 2022, RTI activist Disparsing Rani had informed through the media the report received on the recent RTI filed earlier by him on the filling up of vacant positions in government departments. As per RTI reports, a total number of 119 Grade 4 vacant positions in the government departments that were advertised on the 9th of February 2022 have not been filled up due to the High Court order of recruitment restrictions, informed Disparsing Rani. He added that while there are 119 vacant positions, there are 1,16,563 applicants, of which a total of Rs 57,88,367 was collected as examination fee.
Regarding a vacancy of 119 number of grade 4. In this RTI file by me, the Secretariat furnished the report that the vacancy is still pending with the Secretariat due to the government or due to the High Court order on 5/4/2022. In this connection, the RTI reply said that the matter is under process and the examination will be conducted in due course of time. That is number one as per the RTI furnished by the Meghalaya Secretariat. In connection with the fees collected from the posts of 119 posts, the total amount collected from the total number of candidates applying for this post is 1,16,563. That is the total number of applicants, and the total amount collected by the office is 57,88,367. That is the total amount regarding the post called by the Secretariat. The total number of candidates is 1,16,563. That is number 2 in RTI furnished by the Secretariat. Number 3 is connection with the permission, because as per the complaint I received from different departments, there is a misconduct from the department that those who are the genuine person to promote to the post has been sidelined by someone who have a link with the political person. Instead of giving the post to the right one, the post has gone to the wrong one. That is the violate as per the service book of the Meghalaya Secretariat record, rules 6, 7, 8 and 9. That is the as per the complaint I got from the different department. In this question, as per the report, I got that regarding the promotion for the officer to the different posts, there is a separate committee. Mean for the department, there is called as the Department Promotion Committee, DPC, constitute for selection of candidates for among the senior most grade 4 staff for promotion to the higher posts. That means the officer from now onward or the staff of different, they should know their right. Their right means there is a different committee. If there is any violation of the service book, they should complain to the Departmental Promotion Committee. That is their right as per the service rule of Meghalaya. In connection with the Secretariat, there is separate rule which is called the Selection Committee headed by the Chief Secretary. Chief Secretary and the posts in the Secretariat including supplier, door-free, Jamandar, grade 4 and staff service rule 1986. That is the RTI furnished by the Meghalaya Secretariat.